Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a starting location when planning a route in the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the routes button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the create a route plan button, and then click on the starting location button. And as you can see, you can use your current location, or you can just search for any place, and then Greater London is set as a location. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.